I have no script, so I'm winging it. This is... So, here we are, at a park somewhere near my house. Beautiful B-roll took us here. I'm assuming if I bothered to cut it, which I really hope I did.
But we can't forget to do this, otherwise it won't happen. But it did happen!
But the highlight of today... It's the new Armattan Marmotte, my first 5-inch build, and I've test flown it a little bit, been out and burned a couple of packs, but I haven't had my GoPro mounted until today. It showed up. Now we're gonna get some HD footage that I want to share with all of you. So, without further ado, go fight.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. When he opened his wings and fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that's kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings and fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.
Well, I hope everybody had fun with me today on this adventure, flying, for the first time capturing HD on my little friend here.